Hello and welcome. My name is Calliope, and I'm really happy to have you here for this Yoga Nidra practice. We're going to focus on slow, deep relaxation to give you a little mental and emotional reset. Let's start by settling into whatever position makes you most comfortable. Let your body stretch out. Let it melt at the edges. Every breath makes your muscles loosen just a little bit more. Every breath relaxes you just a little bit more. We're going to reproduce what is known as a physiological sigh with a technique that some people call two-sip breathing, double inhaling, or double nose breathing. A physiological sigh is when we all of a sudden automatically take a deep breath in and out. The idea is that we are bringing in an extra shot of oxygen to help clear out excess carbon dioxide in our exhale. When the carbon dioxide level goes down in our body, our stress response can go down along with it. I'm going to have you take a breath in through the nose, almost filling your lungs. And at the top of that breath, I want you to take another quick inhale. Then we're going to exhale fully out of the mouth, drawing out the exhale. If this makes you feel lightheaded, dizzy, or uncomfortable, I want you to stop the double inhale and return to a comfortable breath. Your comfort is the most important thing. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and at the top of the breath, take another quick inhale through the nose. Good. And exhale fully out of the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. And at the top, take another quick inhale. Exhale fully out of the mouth. Last one. Deep breath in through the nose. At the top, take another quick inhale and exhale fully out of the mouth. Wonderful. Let the breath return to its normal pace, and let's set an intention for this Yoga Nidra session. This could be something like, I am in control of my thoughts and emotions, or my mind and body are calm and relaxed. Whatever intention speaks to you, make it positive and in the present tense. I'll give you some time to think of and set your intention. And whatever intention you have chosen, I want you to mentally repeat it 3 times to seal it in. Let's move into a rotation of consciousness, starting by bringing your awareness to the tip of your tongue. Sense the tip of your tongue, letting it relax. Sense the teeth, how the teeth sit together. The gums surrounding the teeth. The upper lip, the lower lip, the jaw, the tip of the nose, the cheeks, the eyes and eyebrows, ears, temples, forehead, the entire scalp, up to the crown of the head. Bring your awareness down to the back of the neck. Let all the muscles in the back of the neck soften. The shoulders, let the shoulders sink down. The spine, the sacrum, the tailbone. Notice the way the surface underneath you presses against your body. Notice how it supports and holds you. Now down to the back of the thighs, backs of the knees, calf muscles, the heels, soles of the feet, all 10 toes, every toe relaxed, top of the feet, the ankles, the shins, knees, tops of the thighs, the pelvis, the hips, the waist, all of your abdominal organs, from the intestines to the liver to the stomach, the bottom of the rib cage, the chest, down the inside of the upper arms, inside of the forearms, wrists, palms of the hands. Feel the palms of your hands, both palms open and relaxed. All 10 fingers, backs of the hands, outside of the forearms, elbows, upper arms, top of the shoulders, the sternum, and finally the heart. Notice the heart. Notice its motion, its beat. Its one job is to keep you alive. It helps you feel excited. It helps you feel calm. It works for and with you. Each beat a note of a melody only you know. Starting from the heart, I want you to imagine a deep warmth settling into your chest, warming your lungs, the muscles of your chest, your skin, from the inside out, a deep and comforting warmth. Imagine this warmth traveling to the arms. Each beat of your heart sends another wave of warmth through your arteries, from the upper arms to the forearms to the tips of your fingers. When the warmth reaches your fingers, let it work down the body as well. From the internal organs to the hips, to the thighs, the lower legs, the feet, the tips of the toes. Feel the entire body imbrued with this soothing warmth. Now, feel the tips of the toes fill with a soft coolness, cooler and cooler, as if you've dipped them in a bucket of ice. The coolness travels up the soles of the feet, the ankles, up to the knees. Let the coolness flow through your veins, up the legs, to the hips and internal organs. Feel it travel up the body like you've walked into a freezing pool of water. And let the coolness work its way up your fingertips. You can feel it in the backs of your hands, up to the elbows, up to the shoulders. Feel this cool, cool sensation work its way to the chest, all the way to the heart. Let the coolness drain away and instead sense the way your body feels in this space. Its weight, its shape, the dips and curves and edges. While you are focusing on the way your body feels, I want you to recall your intention. Bring it to the front of your mind and mentally repeat it 3 times. Before we finish this Yoga Nidra, I'd like you to bring a little movement to the fingers. Clench and unclench the hands. And then we're going to bring the hands together and rub them together. We're looking to create some heat. Rub your hands together, and then when they have sufficiently warmed up, cup your hands around your eyes. Breathe into the gentle heat warming your eyes. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Good. Rub your hands together again. this time, cup the hands around your ears, soothing the skin, the muscles, the sensory organs. Deep breath in and out. Last time, rub the hands together and bring your hands to your chest, feeling the weight of your hands on your chest, feeling a calm and heavy sensation settling into the chest. Take a deep breath in and let it go. You're more than welcome to stay like this and enjoy this relaxation. But if you're ready to move on with your day or wind down to sleep, you can open your eyes at any time while this relaxation stays with you. Thank you so much for joining me for this Yoga Nidra. I hope you have a whale of a day and a good rest of your night. Thank you. Goodbye now.